Hello guys, in this video we will see how to take backup and restore the globals in PostgreSQL Server. Globals are nothing but the users and tables, which is in PostgreSQL. To take backup of globals, we use the pg_dump all with the flag -g or -- globals. First connect to Postgres user. Now run pg_dump all, then hostname, localhost, then -g or give -- globals. Both are same. -g, then provide the username, postgres, then -f, or give the greater than symbol and provide the file name, globals, then provide the today's date. .sql, hit enter, provide the password of the user, hit enter. Let us see the content of this file. More. See, it has the following users. Okay. Now connect to PSQL, Control L. See the list of the users. Du is the command. So I'm going to restore those globals here only. But before that, I want to drop this users. Drop user David, then drop user James. I'm not dropping this one, and we can't drop Postgres. This is the default user or system user or super user. Okay. Now we will restore backups. So it will load them to here. Q to quit. Now we are going to restore PSQL -h localhost -u postgres less than symbol, then give the file. Here file name is, this is the file name, that is global's backup file. Right click and hit enter. No need to provide any other flags. Then provide the password of the user. See, it is done. See here, we got the message. Role already exists because we haven't dropped these two users. Okay, so nothing performed. Control L to clear screen. PSQL /du. See, roles are restored. Okay, I will keep these commands in the video description. So in this video, we have seen how to backup and restore globals in PostgreSQL Server. For more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel.